Hi there, here's Xiaomi's newly launched Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 and the Redmi Earbuds S. Now both are very different in many ways, but one thing is common, true wireless solution. So let's compare these two side by side and I'll help you decide which one you should buy. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Alright, before we move any further, I'd like to share that I've done unboxing and review videos of both these devices. I highly recommend you watch them. I'll leave the links for that in the description. Okay, let's begin. So here are both the earphones. Firstly, we can see the size difference. The Mi earphones have a larger footprint compared to the Redmi earbuds. The design is sharper on the Mi earphones while the earbuds are rounder. Both have matte textures. The earphones are white while the earbuds are black. Somehow the Mi earphones too feel a lot more premium. The case feels great and soft in the hands. The earbuds are more portable as you can fit them in your smallest jean pocket. You can put the earphones too as well, but they get a little too uncomfortable. The Mi earphones too have a USB-C port at the bottom while the earbuds have a micro USB. I would definitely prefer the USB-C, but the micro USB is not a deal breaker. Also, there is no micro USB charging cable provided with the Redmi earbuds. Xiaomi assumes you'll just have one. Okay, flip open the cover, it's just smooth and clicky. However, you can open the Mi earphones with one hand, but you need to use both hands for the earbuds. Would this really matter? Maybe not, just saying. So inside are the earphones. Both are held in with magnets, which is great so they don't fall out. Let's remove both of them and have a look at it. So just by looking at them, you can see that they are totally different in design. However, they both weigh almost the same, 4 to 5 grams, which are really light. The Mi earphones too have a thick stem design with an AirPods kind of plugs. The Earbuds S are a lot smaller with the bud design. Both are made of plastic and the build quality is equally good. But I'll give the edge to the earphones too for the finish, really soft. The earphones too also have a proximity sensor, so they stop playing when you remove them from your ears and resume when you put them back. No such feature on the Earbuds S. The Mi earphones have touch gesture on the stem while the earbuds have a physical tactile button. Buttons are always easier than touch gestures because you get that tactile feedback. However, touch gestures have worked pretty well even on the Mi earphones. So let's talk about the fit. I'll just wear one of the Earbuds S on my left ear and the Mi earphones too on my right ear. Okay. So the earbuds snug into your ear canal, creating a very good seal, while the earphones too sit on your ear cavity. Now this is a very subjective choice. I personally prefer the ear fit too, as that fit doesn't completely seal off the ear and I like that open experience. Again, that's just me. You could prefer the other. Also, the earphones too aren't the best looking wireless earphones. They look too big actually, but it's damn comfortable. Earbuds on the other hand are those perfect looking true wireless earbuds. They don't stick out too much like these, they create a good seal and they have an amazing grip. The earphones too also have a great grip, but the earbuds are far better. If you have to decide what works for you, stem design or bud design, better grip or comfort. Pairing both is super easy, but the earphones too are amazing when it comes to pairing. If you have a Xiaomi device, you can get a pop-up when you open up the cover to pair, which also shows you the case battery percentage and the earphones battery percentage. But there's no such thing with the earbuds. Also, I'd like to mention I connected both of these to other Android phones and an iPhone and they worked and paired equally well. Finally, for what we buy our earphones, the sound quality. Again, a very subjective choice. Now the earbuds create a very good seal and block most of the passive sound. The earphones too don't create a seal, which is why the bass on the earbuds is a lot better than the earphones too. The bass on the earphones aren't flat, but a little softer as compared to the earbuds. But when it comes to clarity, the earphones too are much better than the earbuds. So if you prefer bass music, then earbuds should be your pick. If you like clarity and balanced sound, then the earphones too should be your choice. Use these for phone calls. But first let me tell you that you can use either one of them for phone calls and music. It is not necessarily that you always have to wear two. So suppose you want to just take a phone call or listen to music, you can even wear one of these and they will work, which is great. Now both come with environmental noise cancelling, which means it cancels external sound so that the opposite person can hear you clearer. And they don't disappoint. What surprises me is that even these petite earphones stood up pretty well, and that is amazing. While using both of them for phone calls, the opposite person didn't complain of any disturbance or echo. This is something most earphones aren't good at, and Xiaomi makes sure they nail it in this department. Most Bluetooth earphones suffer from audio delay, but now the Redmi Earbuds come with gaming mode. In gaming mode, the audio delay and latency can be effectively reduced. The latency on these are 122 milliseconds, which is amazing. That's actually even better than the AirPods Pro. Triple press on either to activate it. I tested both while playing PUBG and the earbuds was spot on, almost no delay. The earphones too don't have the gaming mode, but they performed decent. There was a noticeable delay and you can play on it, but it won't be ideal, especially after experiencing almost zero latency with the earbuds. So if you're a gamer, get the earbuds right away for gamer. Coming to the battery life, so Xiaomi claims 4 hours on both. I did get 3 hours plus on the earphones too, while I got under 3 hours on the earbuds. Now this is where, because it is multiple phone calls, music, and frankly both are quite good when it comes to battery life. The Mi earphones too come with USB-C fast charging, which the earbuds don't. So this will charge faster, this will be a little slower, but the battery life almost on both is the same. And finally, the price. The Mi earphones too were launched at the price of 3,999, but that was just an introductory price. Now it's selling for 4,499. The Redmi earbuds are priced at 1,799 rupees. It's an absolute steal for that price. Not that the Mi earphones aren't good, the sound quality on those is definitely superior thanks to the 14mm drivers, and that's why they justify their price. But if you want to save some money, don't want the long stems coming out of your ears, love gaming, then you should go for the Redmi Earbuds S. I'll leave the links for both the devices in the description. Do check it out if you like to buy one. So I hope this video was helpful and you were able to decide which one suits you. If there are any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.